So this is a single speed custom built bike. It's a Surly steamroller. It used to be the color Drink More Water yellow. And then I got custom painted in Nomad Cycles. So this is a custom built bike. It has a Chris King headset. It has Ultra chain ring. It has omniums. I like wearing straps in the city just because you can wear like any different type of shoes you'd like. My ratio is 49 by 18.
49.
This is a Specialized seat, carbon seat post, drop bars, whiskey stem, and Gravel King tires, 32s, and just repping my hardcore metal origin. So this is a Worm Rot. This is a band from Singapore, and this is I'm from like a anime, manga, horror, guru background. So this is Junji Ito, and I just liked how it flowed.